This is in Walkerville area, I would say, kind of away from the riffraff of Wyandotte Avenue, which is nice. I used to own a duplex 700 block, no, sorry, fourplex 700 block of Moy. I mean, this is 8 years ago, and all right, we are gonna check out this duplex today. Just hit the market. $299 here in Windsor, Ontario. It's a nice up and down duplex, so let's go on through. Dark in here. All right. This is in Walkerville area, I would say, kind of away from the riffraff of Wyandotte Avenue, which is nice. I used to own a duplex 700 block, no, sorry, fourplex 700 block of Moy. I mean, this is 8 years ago, and they're all one bedroom units, and we always had issues, had trouble finding tenants. And when we did find tenants, they didn't pay rent, had to evict them. I got stories about that property. So yeah, you know, I was always told this area wasn't the greatest, but again, that was 8 years ago, and it's come a long way. Walkerville is gentrified, and now it's nice and quiet. You don't get those issues, and plus, this isn't a one bedroom fourplex with just one bedroom units. This is one bedroom when we walked in. Another nice large bedroom. We're on the main floor unit right now, and then you got a nice kitchen. So it's a big unit. Big unit. I would. You got a nice bathroom. I mean, for the price, the fact that you don't really need to do a lot of work, from what I could tell, I'd probably list it as is. And I got a full basement, separate entrance. So I mean, you probably could make this common basement for the tenants, for laundry and all that stuff. Well, let's check it out, or not, we will see. All right, well, I can't find the light, but yeah, I would make this more of a common. You got a washer and dryer here. It's too low to have a unit or anything down here, but I would make it common for the tenants to use with the laundry. Yeah. So, like I said, kitchen. So let's go check out the upper unit. This I would probably rent for, I don't know, probably $1,200-1,300 plus, if not more. Let's check out the upper unit. So let's go find this upper unit. Like I said, nice quiet neighborhood. Oh, I think the stairs are over here. All right. So that's the stairs to the upper unit. Up and down duplexes are always harder to rent. But when you're in a nice area for the right price, you can rent them out. Just, again, screen your tenants. All right, so let's walk through this real quick. One bedroom. Here's your emergency exit. One bathroom. Oh, nice for a single person. Nice brand new balcony, backyard. Oh, parking as well. Off the alley here. And yeah, you could do some TLC up here if you wanted, but I mean, being that it's vacant, you probably just want to get it rented ASAP. So yeah, I'd put it on the market and see how that went. So I walked down the emergency exit. There's in-suite laundry, so each unit has their own, so you don't even need to make that basement common at all, which is very convenient. Nice little backyard, but a lot of good features on this property. I do like it. The fact that there's parking, so you don't have to park on the street, especially in this neighborhood. The street parking's hard to come by. And in-suite laundry for each unit, which is really nice and convenient. And I saw 2 gas meters, so that's good. You keep the separate hydro, or gas at least. I didn't look at the hydro. So there's some baseboard heating up here. So you have a air conditioner unit there, I'm sure, to keep it nice and cool. So lots of potential with this property. Do like it. So I was just walking around the property and confirmed the 2 gas meters and 2 electric meters. So yeah, air conditioning unit as well in the back here. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna air condition. I'm gonna look at the numbers, run some numbers, see you know, if you get this for a list price or even less, or even just a little bit more. See what my max purchase price would be on a property like this based on projected rents, which I'll research. Be a nice property to add to your portfolio.